Guys, greeting to every Ugandans. I'm not a politician, but it is good when I speak my mind because I'm a citizen of Uganda. What has happened to Bobi Wine in Gulu is not a good thing, but I suspect the way we actually, we northern people we used to live in the past is different the way we are living now. So I'm suspecting there is the individual tribes. I quote it tribes. There is some people trying to paint a bad picture, a bad image to the Acholi people, just to create hatred between us. They don't want to see us living, I think, the way we are living right now because they are jealous. So, whatever has happened to Bobby Wine, we condemn it because he's a citizen of Uganda. He has a right to campaign wherever he want to go and do campaign in Uganda because that one is his right. But what has happened is in Gulu is very unique and is very tricky. We have to take it seriously. There is some tribes trying to paint bad image, bad picture on the Acholi people so that big hatred, enemies between the two tribes so that we should not enjoy the life, the kind of good life we are living right now. And we must be very, 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 very accurate when we are talking about this. There is some individual, there is some tribe who are not happy the way we are living our life, and they are trying to do all this nonsense so that if you are not brilliant, you may think actually are hating Baganda. That is all. So let us be wise. Let us be wise in order to avoid all this nonsense. We actually did not did what has happened. We did not do it anymore. So the people who try to trick us, we must find out who are they. I don't blame anybody, but who did this knows exactly why he's doing this. They want to trick us. They want to create more hatred among us. So let's be wise. We must be wise.